How to use two WhatsApp accounts on a device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type App Editor Pro. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now scroll down and tap on download. Now tap on details. Now install this application. Now click on open. Now give all the permissions. Now select install application. Now find WhatsApp. Now select common edit. Now rename the package name. Now click on save. Now tap on install. Now give the permissions. Now click on open. And that's it. You can use multiple WhatsApp on a device. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.